Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your first time tuning in. Welcome. We are always talking data, lifestyle, and most importantly, laughs. So today, I'm going to be touching on some of the best beginner resources. If you're thinking, where the heck do I get started with Tableau? Like, say less. This is sure to help you out. Let's get into it. First thing is the Tableau Starter Kit. This is going to be really useful because it's going to teach you the fundamentals. There are things you can watch, read, engage with. This is straight from the source, so you know this is good. Two resources I have for you are amazing in terms of figuring out your plan or starting to map out your journey. The first one is the Tableau Student Guide, and this resource is so beautifully laid out. I know it says it's for students, but I truly recommend this to beginners. It guides you through in such a simple, elegant manner of basically all your initial questions. Autumn's Tableau Declassified Survival Guide. And this is so good. I love this for so many reasons. One of them being because Ned's Declassified was indeed my childhood. I was a cookie stan through and through, and I also was obsessed with that one kid that would always be twirling the basketball in his finger. Besides the amazing name, this is really just jam-packed with everything that you'd possibly want to know when you're just starting out on your Tableau journey. It's also an actual Tableau public visualization. Awesome for beginners, newbies, pros, wherever you are in your journey. I constantly refer back to it because there's just so much going on, so many resources, that it is just beautifully laid out. It's really awesome, and I am an Autumn stan through and through. Next thing that you want to do is to do a project. Find some data and ask yourself some questions about what are you wondering about that data. On Tableau Public, the resources page, they have some really great sample data sets, and figure out what piques your interest. There are so many things for you to explore. Download that sample data set and just start exploring the data. And that's really the best ways, I think, to learn Tableau. There are a ton of community initiatives, but I think the best starter pack to the starter pack is Makeover Monday. And I think a lot of people go through this as their first exercise just because, number one, you already have visualization to improve upon. There's clean data. Like, it's usually a small-ish data set, and so you can work with that, work on your storytelling, your design, your analysis, and really just learn and explore the tool. So I definitely recommend picking up some type of project, just working on a data set to be able to explore Tableau and its functionality. 1, 2, 3, 4. I give you 4. Well, the other thing that I usually recommend is a few YouTube channels. I'm gonna make a whole separate video about the best channels to learn Tableau from. Just to get you started, some of the best ones are Tableau Tim, SQL Bell, as well as Andy Kriebel, and anything related to the data school. With anyone who has an accent, you know it's going to be good content because literally anything in a British accent sounds 10 times better. These resources are helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or you still are kind of confused on where to start. But whenever people reach out to me, these are some of the resources that I tell them to start with because I just think they're really awesome and help you to know the fundamentals and the basics before you start even worrying about all the other stuff. Really is all about practice. Practice makes permanent. We're not here for perfection, just progression. You are in the world. Have an amazing rest of your day, and goodbye. Until next time.